The animal kingdom never ceases to amaze. It is a world full of wonders and mysteries that captivate our imagination and curiosity. From the depths of the oceans, teeming with vibrant marine life, to the highest mountain peaks, where resilient creatures thrive in harsh conditions. Creatures great and small possess extraordinary abilities that continue to mystify scientists and animal lovers alike. These abilities range from the astonishing to the seemingly magical. We marvel at their speed, strength, and camouflage, the cheetah's incredible sprint, the chameleon's seamless blending into its environment. But what about senses beyond our understanding? The bat's echolocation and the owl's night vision are just the tip of the iceberg. Could animals possess a sixth sense, a hidden world of perception that allows them to navigate the world in ways we can only imagine? Dolphins, for instance, use sonar to see in murky waters, a skill that seems almost otherworldly. For centuries, stories have circulated about animals sensing impending danger, predicting natural disasters, or even communicating telepathically. These tales, passed down through generations, often leave us wondering about the true extent of animal perception. Dogs seemingly knowing when their owners are about to come home, a phenomenon that has puzzled many pet owners. Cats sensing the illness of their human companions, offering comfort in times of need. Birds migrating thousands of miles with uncanny precision. These behaviors suggest a deeper, perhaps even mystical, understanding of the world. These anecdotes, often dismissed as folklore or coincidence, hint at a realm of animal perception that science may be only beginning to grasp. Could there be a scientific basis for these extraordinary abilities? This essay delves into the fascinating world of animal senses, exploring the intricate and often hidden mechanisms that allow animals to perceive their environment in ways we are just beginning to understand. Exploring the compelling evidence and intriguing questions surrounding the possibility of a sixth sense, we look at the latest scientific research and the groundbreaking discoveries that are shedding light on these mysteries. Join us as we journey beyond the familiar five senses and venture into the realm of the unknown, where the boundaries of our understanding are constantly being pushed. In this exploration, we will see how the line between instinct and intuition may be thinner than we think, revealing a world where animals navigate through life with senses that are both extraordinary and enigmatic. I will never look at animals the same way after learning this. Earthquakes are sudden, scary, and can cause massive destruction. They shake the ground violently, leaving cities in ruins and lives changed forever. But did you know that animals might sense earthquakes before they happen? Throughout history, there are stories of animals acting weirdly just before a quake, almost like they have a special sense for danger. In 373 BC, historians noted that rats, snakes, and weasels fled the Greek city of Helice days before a huge earthquake hit. This is one of the earliest stories of animals predicting a disaster. Fast forward to 2004, just before the Indian Ocean tsunami, elephants in Sri Lanka and Sumatra moved to higher ground, avoiding the deadly waves. Flamingos in India also left their low-lying nests, possibly sensing the danger ahead. These stories make us wonder, can animals sense things we can't? Maybe they pick up on tiny environmental changes that humans miss.
Some scientists think animals might detect changes in Earth's electromagnetic field before an earthquake. Or maybe they smell gases like radon released from the ground. They could even hear infrasound waves, low-frequency sounds that humans can't hear, but animals can. Others think animals are just better at feeling tiny vibrations and changes in air pressure. This super sensitivity might help them sense an earthquake before it happens, giving them time to get to safety.
Dogs, our loyal companions possess an extraordinary sense of smell, estimated to be up to 100,000 times more acute than our own. This olfactory superpower allows them to detect a mind-boggling array of scents, from drugs and explosives to, perhaps most remarkably, human disease. Numerous studies have demonstrated the ability of dogs to detect various types of cancer, including lung, breast, and prostate cancer, with impressive accuracy. By sniffing breath, urine, or sweat samples, these canine diagnosticians can identify the presence of volatile organic compounds, chemicals released by cancerous cells that differ from those produced by healthy cells.
While the exact mechanisms by which dogs detect cancer are still being investigated, their success in controlled studies raises the possibility of harnessing their extraordinary sense of smell to develop new, non-invasive diagnostic tools. Imagine a future where a simple sniff test from a trained dog could provide early detection of life-threatening diseases, potentially saving countless lives.
Section 4. Feline foresight, cats. Sensing impending death? Cats, with their aura of mystery and independence, have long been associated with the supernatural.
Stories abound of cats seemingly sensing the impending death of their owners, becoming unusually clingy or, conversely, distant in the days or hours before a person's passing.
While such anecdotes are often met with skepticism, some animal behaviorists believe that cats may be picking up on subtle cues that humans miss, such as changes in a person's scent, behavior, or even the sounds of bodily functions that become more pronounced as death approaches.
Cats are highly attuned to their environment and particularly sensitive to changes in their routine, so it's plausible that they may notice subtle shifts in their owner's condition that humans, often preoccupied with grief or worry, may overlook.
While the idea of cats possessing a sixth sense about death remains unproven scientifically, the anecdotal evidence is compelling enough to suggest that our feline companions may be more attuned to the nuances of life and death than we realize. Section 5. Bird premonitions, avian reactions to storms and disasters. Birds, masters of the sky, rely on a complex interplay of senses to navigate vast distances, find food, and avoid predators. Their keen eyesight, acute hearing, and even their ability to sense the Earth's magnetic field all play a role in their survival. These remarkable creatures have evolved to be highly attuned to their environment, making them some of the most adept navigators in the animal kingdom.
Their sensitivity to changes in barometric pressure, wind patterns, and even infrasound, sound waves below the range of human hearing, allows them to anticipate storms and other environmental disturbances long before we can. This heightened awareness is not just a survival mechanism, but a testament to their intricate connection with nature.
There are countless examples of birds exhibiting unusual behavior before natural disasters. These behaviors can range from erratic flight patterns to sudden mass migrations, often leaving scientists and observers in awe of their predictive capabilities. In 2017, just hours before Hurricane Irma made landfall in Florida, radar images revealed millions of birds evacuating the area, seeking refuge from the approaching storm. This mass exodus was a clear indication of their ability to sense imminent danger and act accordingly.
Similarly, before the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, reports surfaced of birds abandoning coastal areas, seemingly aware of the impending danger. These early warnings provided by birds can sometimes be the first signs of an approaching disaster, offering a unique insight into the natural world's warning systems.
While some of these avian evacuations can be explained by their sensitivity to changes in weather patterns, others remain more enigmatic. The mystery of how birds can detect such subtle environmental cues continues to intrigue scientists and bird enthusiasts alike.
Some scientists speculate that birds may be able to detect infrasound waves generated by earthquakes or volcanic eruptions, giving them an early warning system that allows them to escape harm's way. This ability to sense and react to infrasound waves could be a crucial factor in their survival, highlighting the incredible adaptability and resilience of these avian species.
So, next time you see birds acting a bit strange, remember, they might just be trying to tell us something important. Or maybe they're just planning their next big bird party. Either way, it's always worth paying attention.